Welcome once again to my YouTube channel on Cesar's Urban TV Vlog. Today I would like to share to you the successful marketing of my guapol or guava hybrid. Ayan, makikita nyo, ito na po yung aking mother tree na guapol or guava hybrid. At isi-share ko po sa inyo yung aking ginawa rito in my previous video at yung minarkot ko. Kaya halina kayo, sama na po kayo. Okay.
This is my more than 2 months old marcot branch of my hybrid guava on my front yard. As you can see, the roots are already visible and it's time to remove the plastic cover after 2 months of waiting. Marcotting, cloning or air layering is one way of propagating wooded fruit trees to increase the amount of harvest and at the same time savings from buying rooted fruit trees from nurseries. By marcotting your own fruit trees, ensures reliability, safety and security of seedlings propagation. Marcotting is a fast and easy way to propagate a tree from a grown tree. Unlike planting from seed, which takes many years to bear fruit, marcot tree takes only a year. Marcotting is normally done during rainy season to minimize the need for frequent watering. This method of tree propagation works for most trees and shrubs. I learned this method from my friends and also from YouTube Academy. I used to marcot fruit-bearing trees like mango, chico, calamansi and avocado to name a few. As you can see in this section, the roots are already developed and matured with its brownish color. This means it is ready for separation from the branch. I am very careful in here, slowly removing the plastic cover in order to protect the roots from being hurt. Once the plastic has been removed, it is time to cut the branch from its mother tree. Before cutting, your shears should be disinfected by alcohol in order to prevent spread of diseases. Before transplanting the newly cut marcot branch, I prepared a well-draining 16 liters paint container with many holes and mixture of loam soil, vermicast, carbonized rice hull, dried cow's manure, cocoa peat and dried rice hull as well.
Puntahan na natin yung aking marcoted na tree. Ito yung mini garden ko sa harapan ng bahay. Sari-saring tanim rito. Ito na yung aking marcoted na tinanim ko sa container na galing dun sa mother tree. Makikita po ninyo itong mga bulaklak. Yan. At nag-bloom na yung iba. Oh. Yan, makikita ninyo. So ito po yung minarkot ko from last year. Nasa container lang po siya ng pintura. Yan. Alam po ninyo ang sikreto ng pag-propagate ng marcoted or air layering ay unang-una, kailangan yung mother tree na pagkukuhanan ninyo ng marcot ay prolific na mamunga at matured na. And once you successfully marcoted at i-transfer na po natin sa malaking paso katulad nito. Yan. At yung gagamitin nating lupa ay buhaghag. Oh, makikita naman ninyo buhaghag siya, oh. Na composed of loam soil mixed with carbonized rice hull, yung fertilized rice hull, coco peat, no? At vermicast. Yan. Tapos i-supplement rin natin ng calcium. Ito nilalagyan ko to ng ground eggshell tsaka yung banana peel fertilizer. Yan, kikita ninyo. Tapos nilagyan ko ng malts na ito yung dahon ng avocado to actually. Kasi may avocado rin ako rito sa taas nito. Ayan. And then kailangan expose siya sa sun 6 to 8 hours. At ang isa pang ginawa ko rito, mga ka-Urban TV Vlog, yung trimming. Makikita ninyo, talagang hindi, ang haba ho nito. Hindi ko siya pinababayaang humaba. Pinuputol ko yung mahaba, kaya ayan. Oh, makikita ninyo, putol. Importante rin po yung trimming sa pag cultivate ng marcoted at dwarf. Magiging dwarf na po siya, mga ka-Urban TV Vlog. Kaya ayan po yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo ngayon na naging successful po yung ginawa kong marcoted na guava or hybrid guava or guapol. I-share ko rin dito yung previous video ko na namunga yung aking guapol na yon at yung pag air layering ko. Okay, kaya ayan po, maraming salamat sa lahat ng inyong suporta sa aking YouTube channel on Cesar's Urban TV Vlog. Keep yourself safe and God bless us all.